y'all back. Also with K YouTube channel, man, live on location, Orlando, Florida. What up? I got some gems for you guys, man. I couldn't stay away too long. Kids still sleep. Brought them out at the beach in University yesterday, so I'm gonna hop on in here and give y'all some gems. Company called GoPuff, app-based company, located everywhere, so nobody should have an issue really. Getting some leads, this geolocation. So it popped up in Davenport where I'm staying here in Orlando. But like I said, they got all different kind of locations. So GoPuff, just like any food item delivery service, they deliver snacks, products. You get beer, alcohol, pizza, frozen pizzas, Casamigo. So you get pretty much everything, that you need for your household delivered. Of course, different areas to have different items. In Florida, they kind of sell liquor everywhere, so they got liquor on here. But what you guys want to know about is how to get paid with this. So, you always come down to the bottom of the website and become a delivery driver. So once you click on become a delivery driver, goes to this section, GoPuff driver partner. So I have not fully signed up for this. Be honest with you, transparent with me personally, I don't like food and item delivery because it takes too long. But GoPuff is a little different from DoorDash and Uber Eats. Instead of going to a restaurant or a store to pick up stuff, you kind of pick up stuff from a warehouse, and you kind of have orders batched up. So which is kind of easier, but still the small item delivery, it's not my ideal. But drop a comment down below if this is something you already tried or something you're interested in doing. You want more information, drop a comment down below. If I didn't answer the question or you didn't find the information in this video, watch the whole thing all the way through. But if you don't find the information, leave a comment. I'll try to find the answer for you. But be your own boss, drive as little as much as you want, centralized location. So in each city they have different warehouses. So you go to a GoPuff warehouse in certain areas, and then those certain areas deliver in those certain blocks. So like DoorDash, they have their blocks, but you're kind of guaranteed a certain amount of orders if you do get picked to pick up stuff. It could be as little as 2 orders, or it could be as many as 20. So you never really know. From the research I've done, non-contact delivery. So you kind of, say you go to the place, warehouse, or like a little location where they may have stuff in the freezer or cooler. You just pick the stuff up by your order name and number and keep it moving. And they also got non-US, so if you're in the UK, you can do this as well. All my UK viewers, what up, mate? Want to learn more about GoPuff? So application process, you can see all the states they got here. Like I said, they're pretty much in every single state. So you see all the states. A lot of time these drop down boxes don't show in my videos, but like I said, every state is showing in this drop down box. You can go continue. I'm not going to go through the full application, but let's kind of see if we can figure out some earning potential and how much we can possibly make with this. So how it works, we got the GoPuff full term, home needs, some medications. Like I said, haven't seen any medications. Like I said, I've signed up for the app. I started receiving orders and everything, but I never really fully started taking any jobs. But I kind of know a little bit about the program. Why should I deliver? Transparent fee, 100% tips, blah, blah, blah. Like I said, the micro fulfillment center. So that's the deal. Like I said, they have small little locations all around the city where you can go pick up the orders before you drop them off. So it kind of keeps you in a small radius so you don't have to burn out your gas. What do I need to apply? 21 years or older. Of course, I have a smartphone, vehicle, insurance. You can't vehicle and insurance in your name. So If the vehicle insurance has to be in your name, that's going to be hard to use rental vehicles. But like I said, all that stuff is just paperwork you have to send in. So if you can get the paperwork straight on the rental, go ahead. What does it mean to be partnered with GoPuff Driver unless you have been notified specifically otherwise? You are an independent contractor. You are your own boss. Maintain insurance, all that stuff, background check. Yes, they will do a background check and an NVR check. I know I get that question a lot on this channel. Yes, they do background checks and NVR checks. So make sure your L's are straight. No F's on your background or felonies. You should be all right. Sorry, it's for you. But like I said, if you got a sketchy background, got some things going on, you gotta really boss up. You really gotta create your own opportunities out here. Get you a truck. You can rent a truck. You can have a background and still rent vehicles. So rent a truck, post some ads on Craigslist, start you a moving company, and level up from there. And then might find a partner who has a clean background that you can put the bread up, and he has a clean background. Then you can go ahead and get your MC and start moving a little bit legit and start moving with companies that don't allow felons. Have that person as a face card. But like I said, if you got that background, guys and girls, you really got to boss up and do things on your own. These apps may not be for you. But like I said, just message me, hit me up on Credit K. I know a lot of guys you have. I try to, add assistance for anybody with a felony, but it's kind of hard out there, man. Trust me. I feel ya. And then, you got career opportunities. You can actually get a full-time job. So to sign up, man. Let's see. We got anything about some money? Can we figure out the money? The money schedule and earnings. There we go. That's what we want. Earning. Delivery doing scheduled block. So you can have your scheduled block. And that's just kind of see how much you earn in those blocks. And then you can do on demand work as well. How much do these blocks pay? You got earn per minute rate. Let's see. Put it all together. Base promotions plus tips. Okay. Well, so what is base promotions? Get paid once a week. Earnings. Got boost earnings. So it doesn't really give a direct option what it pays. Probably each location and each item that you're delivering has different pay. So sorry I can't break that down for you, but go ahead and try it out. It's another app opportunity for you guys. You see what it is. Paid weekly. Background check. Need to be 21 years or older. You got instant cash out opportunities. The money hits your bank account within 30 minutes or less. If you don't do the weekly pay option, you can have an instant cash out option, sort of like Uber and DoorDash does. A lot of these gig economy does this. So I don't really see too many people talk about GoPuff or, any gig supers really going out and doing GoPuff. Might be something I might just have to do and just do a run to show you guys. If you want me to go ahead and do a run with GoPuff when I get back to Atlanta, go ahead and drop a comment below. Say go for it, K boss up, baby. All right. And we got food, alcohol, and tobacco. Them beer runs, them blunt runs. Yeah, Shursky. Paid time off, perks, partnerships. Yeah. Auto maintenance. Okay. All right. So that's GoPuff in a nutshell. You got the application application there. I'm going to leave a link to the application down in the comment section below, guys. All right, man. We live on location. I'm finna go back, open up me a beer, edit this video down, drop this for you guys, and then get ready for Disney. All right, later on.